Hi friends, before looking at homes, scrolling for listings, or worrying about rates, if you're thinking about buying a home in 2026, watch this video. It can save you time, stress, and money. One of the biggest mistakes I see most of the buyers make is starting the process very late in the game. They wait until they have to move, and this causes the options to be very limited. The buyers who win are those who plan early, 6 to 12 months ahead. They are calmer, they are more confident, and they get better terms. You don't need the perfect credit to start. You just need a plan. You need to know what works and what not to touch. Many buyers think they need to have thousands of dollars saved, but between the loan programs, the down payment assistance programs, and the builder incentives, that's absolutely not true. Waiting for the perfect rates isn't a strategy. Rates change, but planning ahead gives you the leverage no matter where the rates go. As your realtor and loan officer, my job is to help you understand the numbers, give you the proper guidance, and help you avoid mistakes and make smart decisions. There is no pressure, only guidance. If buying is on your radar on 2026 or late 2026, the best time to talk is right now. As I mentioned to you, there is no pressure, only guidance and clarity so that you can make better decisions when the right time comes. You can call or text me at my direct line, available on WhatsApp. I also speak Spanish, or visit my website at MikeNajemLoans.com. If you feel like this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with somebody that you know is planning to buy a home in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.